Howdy, everybody. This is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the two-bedroom at the St. Andrie, and we're going to do part two of the detailed walkthrough. We've already seen this beautiful kitchen and all this, but now let's take a look inside the bedrooms. The bedroom is adorable. It's just really simple, beautiful walls, and I think that is a queen bed. Think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure by the width it's a queen bed. It looks very, very nice. And then also, you've got a nice window over there and then room for your dresser. So there's no carpet in here, by the way. It's all this vinyl, luxury vinyl. And then let's go in the bathroom. And hey, there's more of the good stuff in here. So I like the lighted mirror. I love the cabinets continue in here. Those are the same color as in the kitchen. And then you got a beautiful walk-in shower here. This is really good. So here we have a beautiful closet. There's a lot of storage in here. So this is awesome. This is a really good walk-in closet with some good storage. Hey, it looks good. This is a great looking place. By the way, I didn't really get this on the video, but look at that. You've got kind of a bar area here too. That's awesome. Or just a simple storage area or whatever you want to make that. But really, really nice. Some shelves. This is a really pretty place. Hey, what do you think about this place? If you're interested and if it's kind of got your interest and it's piquing your interest, there's a number below. That's actually my personal cell phone. Send me a text and let me know, hey, I kind of like this, or I really love this and I want to get more information about it. By the way, that's going to go to my cell. That's not going to go to software or anything like that. It's just to start a conversation, and I keep my customers' information very, very private. So don't worry, that's going to go straight to me, and we'll just chat and see how we can just help you find that perfect apartment. This is a free service, by the way. So we have every incentive to help you find a perfect place and get that taken care of for you. You can also, besides texting, you can go to Uptown 101 and you can fill out a search request there also. But in addition, may I ask you a favor? Would you do me a favor and go ahead and like this video? And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go and subscribe. You'll be getting great, beautiful content of the best apartments, the newest, the nicest, the best in Houston. So go ahead and subscribe and like this video. All right, hey, we've got a couple of other units. These are open units that aren't furnished, but we're gonna go see them and take a peek. So some more videos are coming.